Gemma Smith was born 1978. She is an Australian painter and sculptor. Smith completed a Bachelor of Visual Arts at Sydney College of the Arts in 1999 and in 2004 an honours year at Queensland University of Technology in Brisbane, who is Sydney-based. Smith has been the recipient of numerous grants and been invited to join multiple exhibitions. She is known for her continuous experimentations with colour and abstraction. Her work is held in museum, corporate and private collections across Australia. Smith is a painter and a sculptor who works are abstract art. While the major modern movements of abstract art faded, Gemma sees abstract art as very alive, and pursues both geometric and organic forms of abstraction.